Look at you. You got your baby blanket. You got your blankie? Yeah, mommy's boy. You got your blankie and your baby bed. You still have your baby. You're the cutest little thing. You're not feeling well. You want to lay down? Samuel. Samuel. Hi, man. Hi, handsome. How are you? Hi. You go night-night? I'll go night-night, mommy. Hey, go night-night. I'll go night-night. Go night-night, mommy. Well, look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Hi, Samuel. Hi, Samuel Joshua. Your mommy's boy. Your mommy's boy. You ready for mommy to get finished and getting dressed? Mommy's finished getting dressed. I'll take you outside. You ready to get outside? You want to go look out the window? You want to look out the window? Yeah. You going to rest? You want to rest for the rest of the day? One treat? One treat? One treat? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, big boy.